issue here. So on the Timemaster here, this is a huge bummer, but it's got no spark plug again. And the issue I'm having is the threads on the spark plug on the head is stripped out. And say it's a known issue. So I got to take this thing into the shop and get it looked at, and don't know how much it's going to cost. Hopefully not a whole ton, but I can't imagine it'll be super cheap. So if you guys have any other suggestions, let me know and I'll check those out. But if it's going to be about as much as a new mower, may as well just buy a new one. This one is probably 6 years old. Don't know the model of it, but definitely a huge bummer. This new spark plug would not even stay in the threads. This just comes right out. See, it's loose, won't stay in there. Anyway, huge bummer there, guys. So anyway, we'll let you know the outcome of this. Hopefully it's not too serious, but I may have to haul it into the local Toro dealer and see how much they cost to fix it. If not too much, we'll just get a new one. We'll talk to you soon, guys. All right, y'all, quick backyard update here. So as you know, the Timemaster's messed up. So I got a video to fix that today. The spark plug wouldn't stay in, now it stays in. We'll show you that. And a little backyard update here. My son is tearing up our trampoline with sticks. That's bad. I gotta spank him for that. But back here, as you can see, I've got about 20 feet cut out here, and this stuff is really muddy. As you can see, it still is starting to dry out a little bit, but I got down to here, and then I'm running out of places to put sod. Obviously I had to trim that because it's going away. And my wagon, my gorilla cart, is actually full of sod, as you can see. Full of nice sod that I'm trying to give away, but I've given all I can away. My neighbor does want some, but he's not ready for it yet. So I haven't cut any more as of late, and had to use my neighbor's Husqvarna lawnmower, riding lawnmower. And it doesn't cut as well as the Timemaster does, that's for sure. So the backyard's a little rough looking now, as you can see. Once it grows up again, I'll get it cut nice, make it look better. So anyway, I didn't talk about this yet. This here is my test plot. So I used this sod here, cut it out as I fixed dog pee spots, but right now I've got plenty of sod, so I'm not using it much. But a few weeds in here, pull those out. But I use this to fill in dog pee spots. And this is my little test plot that I made. It grows really good here, actually, so I want to show that to you. Well, keep it out for the video coming up on the Timemaster repair, spark plug thread repair. That's coming up next. Thanks, guys. Okay, this guide's got to come off here. It's just enough room. Hopefully I can get to it from there. I could find my long extender thing, so there's that one. It goes in as straight as possible. You can feel it kind of cut in there a little bit. good. Okay, y'all, we're trying to do a little more cutting here just to make sure that this thing is in there good. I don't see any shavings inside there, which is good. It's a combustion chamber back behind here, so that's empty. There's got a little bit out there. Alright, so I'm going to do a little trick here to this will get it in there tight. Stop it from going too far. Yes, sir. All right, guys, that's done. So right now, let's head over and fix some of these high spots in the yard I talked about earlier. I'm gonna cut the hose on here. This one here is bad. Start with this one right here, actually. Alright, so what you want to do, set your hose nozzle to flood, and what we're going to do here is we're going to flood this whole area here. Get it super wet. You can hose the other ones down too if you want. Get that ground nice and soft. And then step on it. That one wet while we're waiting. Make sure it's level with the other ground. It is. So now we're on this one here. I know it compacts the ground, but you know, if you want to aerate you can, but this is the best way to get rid of these high spots. You make sure it's level with the rest of the ground. This goes back. We'll be scalping it again next time. Alright, so there's 2 spots I just fixed. Hose it down with water, let it get really wet, and then just step on it, and it'll flatten that area out. Then you won't scalp it again. So appreciate you guys watching, and look forward to the next one. Thanks.